Good morning, students. Welcome to your math lesson. And today we will be working in your Envision workbook on page 17. And it looks like this. And we are on lesson 1-4. And you will need your pencil today. Okay, and last time we were here, we learned about the making 10 strategy. And today we're going to be learning about another strategy that's going to help us solve our addition problems more quickly and accurately. We are building our strategy base right here with strategies that will help us solve problems quickly and efficiently and accurately. Okay, so let's go ahead and open it today to page 17. And we have the I can statement, and it's written right here. And I have it up on the board behind me, and we're going to read it together. Okay, and I can statements are important because they get your mind ready for the lesson. Okay, so let's go ahead and read it. I can use the patterns on an addition facts table to help me remember the addition facts. And this is your addition facts table to 10. So these are all of your sums to 10. And we'll do a little review with some of the words from last week. And we have sum, and the sum is the answer in an addition problem, the sum. And then we have addend, and addend are the values that you're adding to get your sum. Okay, addends. And some other important words are patterns, and patterns are things we notice that repeat, and addition facts. And this is an addition facts table to 10. So all the addends do not increase more than 5. And addends are the numbers, the values you're adding together, and the sum is your answer. So that's a little review from last week as well, right? And so the solve and share is what you're going to do now. Remember, it's on page 17, and it starts right here. Look at the sums on an addition facts table for addends. Okay, and the addends are in yellow. Describe one of the patterns that you see. Use words, colors, or addition facts to describe the patterns. So these are the addends, and the sum is here. Okay, so go ahead and take about 4 or 5 minutes and go ahead and put your response on this page. Okay, and you can pause the video here, and I will naturally just pause it in the classroom. Okay, welcome back. And now we are going to move on. We've discussed our solve and share, and we will be moving on. And I will tell you that patterns are important. Patterns on the number grid are important because it is useful for adding numbers, because if you know one fact, then you can relate it to another fact. And it helps you develop your mental math strategies. And so with that, you will become faster at your fact fluency. And we want to know our facts really quickly by the end of 2nd grade. Our facts to 20, right? So double what we have in the addition facts table. Okay? So the visual learning bridge says, how can you describe a pattern for all the sums of 6? And then they highlight it. And then it says it makes a diagonal pattern. You can write an addition equation by going down from one of the sums in the row and another sum from the column. And where you meet is where you get your answer. And let me go back to that page and show you what they mean. So if you are taking a sum from the top, and you have let's do a doubles fact. We go to 5 here, and we go to 5 here. Where the 2 intersect is where the sum is. So 5 plus 5 is 10, and that's a doubles fact. We know that pretty much right away. So if we want to go to 4, and we want to go 4 plus 4, we go to where they meet, and they meet at 8. So that would be the answer for 4 plus 4. Okay, we can do a near doubles, 4 plus 3, and then we would have 7. So 4 plus 3 would give us 7. So it's important to notice that as you go down from the addends or across, the numbers increase. Okay? That's really important pattern to know. Okay? And when they go diagonal, like they said in the visual learning bridge, they're going to be all the sums of that number. So 6 plus 0 is 6. 6 plus 1 is, 6 plus 6 is 0. Okay, 1 plus 5 is 6. 2 plus 4 is 6. 3 plus 3 is 6, your doubles fact. And 4 plus 2 is 6. And 5 plus 1 is 6. And 6 plus 0 repeats again. Okay? You can write an equation. 4 plus 2 equals 6, and 4 plus 2 are the addends for the sum of 6. Okay, so let's go ahead and move down to the guided practice. And it looks like this. And remember, you do the guided practice and then the convince me. So go ahead and we'll do 1. 10 plus 6 equals 16. 9 plus 7 equals 16. Now you're going down. So the next number will be 8 plus 8 equals 16. And we're going down on the front. 7 plus, I'm going up in the second addend, 9 equals 16. And we're going down, 6 plus 10 equals 16. So now try that same pattern into 10 plus what equals 14? We can check it on the addition facts table. We can find 10, and we can go to 4 and get 14. And so 14 is going to be our answer. All right, so now remember the first column goes down. So the next one's going to be 9, and the second column goes up. Okay. So see if you can go ahead and do that on your own, and then we'll be working with 3. And if you need any help, I will be available, and you can ask me questions. Okay, and then finish the independent practice. And then go to page 20. And number 11 is the assessment practice. Go ahead and take, once you're finished with that, take a picture of it and upload it to this activity in Seesaw. Okay, so once again, you can use an addition facts table to help you learn the patterns. And those patterns repeat, and you can relate those patterns, those answers, and the way that's solved, you can relate it to other math facts. And that will help you become better at solving your math facts and better at number sense in general. Okay, so we want to learn our math facts and build our strategy base. Okay, let's get started with your work.